Hello students, let's solve this question which says if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? This question is from chapter 2 linear equations exercise 2.2 class 8 math. Let's see what the question says. The question says that if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half. So let us first assume that the number be x. Let the number be x. Now the first part says if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half. So subtract half from the number. So x minus half. Now multiply the result by half. Multiply by half. So x minus half times half. According to the question, half times x minus half equals 1 by 8. So by solving this equation, we'll get the value of x, which will be the number. So let's solve this equation. So this will be half. Let's solve the bracket first. So that's 2 LCM, and that's 2 times x is 2x minus 1 upon 2 equals 1 upon 8. Further solving, this will be 2x minus 1 upon 4 equals 1 upon 8. Now we'll leave this x term here because we need to find the value of x and transpose all the terms to the right hand side. So that's 2x minus 1 equals 4 is in the denominator, so it will go in the numerator. So that's 4 times 1 upon 8. So that's 2x minus 1 equals 1 upon 2. We have 2x minus 1 on the left hand side, so we'll leave 2x here and we'll transpose 1 on the right hand side. So 2x equals half. This minus 1 will become plus 1. So that's 2x equals half plus 1 will be, we'll take LCM, which is 2. This is 1 and 2 times 1 is 2. So 2x equals 3 upon 2, or x will be equal to dividing both sides by 2 or transposing this 2 on the right hand side. So that's 3 upon 2 times 2. So x will be equal to 3 upon 4. One number comes out to be a fraction, which is 3 upon 4. Final answer will be, the number is 3 upon 4. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and this is how, by using linear equations, we can find the value of x and find the number. I hope this video is helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.